Hi guys, so a few weeks ago I attended a makeup class by a company that's, the abbreviation is LGFB, and this is just a Canada-based charity for people like me going through cancer diagnosis. So I want to share this information with you, so if you live in Canada and you are going through a cancer diagnosis, this is something that is available to you. So I'm not paid or sponsored to tell you about this. I'm just telling you about this because I think it's just such a great charity. So I'm just going to read some of this verbiage here that came with my little booklet of these cool things that they sent me, like after the fact. It came in the post about a week later. I didn't realise how phenomenal it was going to be. They said they were going to send some free stuff, but like this kind of blew my mind. It'll blow your mind later on when I do a little bit of an unboxing video of the stuff that they sent. So let's just read a little bit of this verbiage so I can advertise this LGFB group. And also, if there's something similar in the United States, if you could comment down below, and if there's something similar in the UK or any other country, just let other people like us know that this is available to people. So basically it says, helping women with cancer feel like themselves again since 1992. At Look Good, Feel Better, so that's what the abbreviation stands for. We know that true healthcare treats the whole person, not just the physical, but the emotional and physical aspects too. When it comes to health, we use the broader psychological definition that incorporates mental, emotional, social, spiritual well-being. It's not just about the diagnosis and medical treatment, it's just as much about who you are and how you feel as a person and a woman. It's easy to forget how much of our identity is related to the physical appearance. Things like hair and body image can play a powerful role in our self-image. Cancer affects this at a time when you may be feeling vulnerable in many other ways. The LGFB workshop will show you certain steps you can take to look good, feel better, and get closer to the person you were before your cancer diagnosis. And it's a chance to be yourself again. And then it says 107,400 women were expected to be diagnosed with cancer in 2019. Help spread the word about our programme so we can be there for every woman. So tag us on your social media and share your thoughts, or a hashtag sense of selfie on the LGFB Canada experience. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn, and it's LGFB Canada hashtag. So since 1992, we've supported more than 250,000 Canadian women and teens in our complimentary workshop, which is offered at more than 100 cancer centres across the country. We hope the steps outlined in this guideline help you find ways to manage the appearance related to side effects of cancer and its treatment, from skincare to cosmetic hygiene, makeup application, caring for your teeth and nails. Our signature step includes a wealth of information that can help you feel like yourself while you're undergoing treatment. This guide is not intended to replace medical care in any way. Your reaction to treatment is as individual as you are, and this guide is meant to support and advice from the healthcare team. You should always consult your healthcare practitioner with any questions or concerns. And we encourage you, your caregiver, friends and family to continue the conversation and connections started with LGFB by visiting Face Care Together, our online community at lgfb.ca. You can become a blogger or simply read the comment on inspiring stories shared by other women like you. It's a cancer information network that offers resources and tools to help you and your loved ones manage the social and emotional effects of cancer. It's a safe place to share your thoughts with a community you can relate to. To find out more about our complimentary cancer support programme and how Look Good, Feel Better is helping Canadian women with cancer feel themselves again, visit the lgfb.ca. So basically when I went on to their, when they did their workshop, so it was all by Zoom, so it didn't matter where you were kind of thing, and she went through all the steps of like having a facial routine and making sure that you cleanse your face properly and wash your face properly. Make sure that you're washing your hands. Hygiene is so important when you're going through this because your immune system is getting such a bashing. And oh, hello, Sophie. We're going to talk to these people about what Mummy went through. It was a really good course. So basically, she showed us about like using cleansers and toners and not to use harsh things on our faces, and how to apply eyebrow pencil on. And the good thing about joining this with these other ladies via Zoom is that everybody else gives their recommendations as well, which was really good. And so I might just, there was a couple of recommendations that some women had said. One of them was using baby wash on your head as a cleanser to like, I'll go and get it as well. Let me just pause this video a sec. So I'm not sure if this is a Canadian product or whether they also sell it in the States, but this is called Live Clean Baby, and it's a tearless shampoo and wash. And one of the ladies was saying that when your hair falls out, but when it grows back, it can be quite itchy. So she was saying that this actually stops the itchiness from when the hair was growing back. So I'm using this anyway as a cleanser every time I go into the bath to wash my little bald head here. As you can see, I've still got some little wispy bits here. Now, I have said I'm not paid or sponsored. I think I have. Anyway, I'm not paid or sponsored. But anyway, I use this cleanser. I use this cleanser and this moisturizing product. It's really good. It's got no alcohol in it, and it's water based. The water is the first ingredient, and I think this is a really good brand. I'm not quite sure if they sell this everywhere. It might be just Canada and the US. Let me know if I have any UK subscribers whether this is available in Europe. I get a load of compliments about how my face is actually looking, and I use a lot of the Body Shop products. Now, I know that this is available in the UK. They do a vitamin E skincare range. So this one is a toner. This one is it's called an Aqua Boost, and it's supposed to make your moisturizer more effective, I think, but it just feels really good on your face. And also they do a night cream in that brand as well. And I also did a gel cream in this brand. So that is what I use on my face right now. And also some of the products that they obviously sent me in this kit. They also send you a really cool booklet that goes through the whole aspects of hygiene and skincare and how to apply your face makeup and how to put on your eye makeup. Also telling you about lip colours, because I always find that I'm wearing a really pale lip colour right now, but because you've lost your hair, you kind of want to frame your face a bit like better kind of thing, and I find that if you use a darker lip, you look so much better because you're used to having frame around your face and you don't have that. They also go on about wig selecting. We all know about wigs. I have a lot of wigs right now, and scarves. They talk about the hair regrowth, using sun care products, because it's really important to make sure that you put sunscreen on this. And then it just goes into the French part of this section. So let's do a nosedive into what products they sent me, because it blew my mind. They sent so much, and I'm so fortunate and lucky to have attended this workshop. So this is the bag that it came in, and it is literally, guys, almost overflowing on the stuff that they sent. Okay, so the first thing that we have that they sent was this lip balm, and I think it's not like a stick, it's actually like it's like a gel lip balm. I've never used this before, but I'm going to be trying it out. And then they've sent two Estée Lauder eye pencils, and these are proper sized pencils. They're not like testers or anything. They partner up with a lot of well-known branded makeup companies. There's a Mary Kay mascara, like I said, full size here. 2 bottles of Clinique lotion. This is actually quite nice. Another brow pencil. This is another full size version. I know this is definitely a really good brand. It's a cleansing water, a soothing toner, as well as an eye makeup remover. I'm going to try this later on as the eye makeup remover. I'm quite finicky over my eye makeup removers. Some foundation I haven't tried because I generally just put a moisturizer on my face and then I will use a bronzer, and I will just use the bronzer in my cheeks and my chin, my nose and my forehead. This is really good stuff as well. Bio oil. It's really good for scar marks, and I should really be using that under my arms where they took the lymph nodes out, because I've got a little bit of a scar there. So if I put some of this on, it'll probably help to clear that up. And this is a Mary Kay concealer. I've never really used concealers, but I mean, I can give it a try. This is another really good brand. This is obviously a little tester sample, and this is just a it's SPF on it, so it's obviously a sunscreen. So it's like a little bottle of this sunscreen, and this is like a little anti-itching cream. So this is obviously going to be, I might end up using this for when the hair grows back on my head. This is a full-size Clarins lipstick. It's a really nice colour as well. They were very mindful over the colours. A CoverGirl blusher. It's a bit pink. I don't know how it'll look like on. This one actually amazed me. The 4 MAC eyeshadows, and they also gave you 2 compacts to put the eyeshadows in. How amazing is that? Again, they were very, very mindful over the colours. Like, these are very neutral, and I love the MAC eyeshadow. It is very well pigmented, so when you put it on, like, you don't have to put too much on. Like, it's very good. So here you go. That is everything that Look Good Feel Better sent me. So if you are a Canadian and you're going through a cancer diagnosis right now, hop on board to one of their workshops. It makes you feel so much better. It definitely does. My mum is always going on at me about making sure that I look nice all the time, put nice clothes on and put makeup on, and then I'll feel better. I mean, there is something to be said about that, yes. When I'm going through my bad days during my chemotherapy, no, I don't want to put my makeup on. But when I'm going through my like good weeks, I do feel better if I do put some makeup on. So there is something to be said about that. So guys, if you're watching this and you are from the States or from any other country, please let me know if you've got a charity like this, and if you are watching from Canada, then please spread the word about this really good charity to other people. Share my video. Also, I have done a lot of videos on my cancer diagnosis and experience right now. Everything about losing my hair to doing chemotherapy. So if this is something that you are going through right now, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do have some sewing stuff as well as quilting stuff, but you will be able to find all of them cancer things because I've put them in a nice little playlist area so you can watch them all in one go. And also guys, like, don't be like me. If you do go to the doctor and you do find a lump and they tell you to go and have an ultrasound or mammogram, please go and have that done right away. I left it for 7 months, and I think if I would have like gone a bit sooner, then maybe I wouldn't have had to have gone through chemotherapy and gone through all this. It might have just been popping the tumour out. So just because you have a diagnosis of cancer doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to have to go through chemotherapy. They might be able just to take the tumour out and then that's it. But mine spread to my lymph nodes. You can follow my story on some of my other videos. So yeah, so that's why I'm having to go through chemo right now, because they're worried that some of them cancer cells might still be there. So that's why we are doing our chemotherapy right now, and after the fact we'll be doing some radiation. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like and comment down below. It really helps my channel when you do that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.